Hello, good afternoon, everybody from YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Forest Ridge HQ. Today, I want to do part 2 of our travel video to Key West. So you go. So we chose Key West and then going to the Cayman Islands. Now what we are going to look at Georgetown, Cayman Islands. Georgetown to Grand Cayman. Check kayak. And then we click our date. So we check, see what they got. We clicked on the best. We're going to see what they got. We're comparing SmartFare and Priceline. But let's do Hawaii. And let's change so we search. So we look on here, there's like layovers. That means you guys choose a flight. So you guys take United, then Spirit, one stop, LAS, ORD, ORD. Then we go on down. We're checking Hawaiian Airways, see what they got. Let's search do a weather check. So you see there's a little bit of rain near Batesville, there's a little bit of rain near Greensburg, around Greenwood. It's currently 78 degrees, no rain for the next 4 hours, for the next 2 hours. There's a little bit of rain here in Union, Indiana. It's gonna stop at 7 o'clock. Go over to Bloomington, no rain for the next 2 hours. Come this little area right here. Click on that area, that Bloomington Township. We see that they have a lot of rain. And if we put this on the TC Futurecast, this is powered by O'Reilly Auto Parts. We see the rain shifting. It's going to Middletown, Franklin, Hamilton. This is by 8:40. All the rain should be bye-bye. And there's the rain right there. There's some more. So we stop it. So we stop it right now. And after that, we go on up. We take a look around, like Niagara Falls region. Ooh, this kind of gave me an idea. Go here. Click on. Here we go. Then we look around. So there's a little bit of rain here. There's a lot of rain if you're in Canada and you're watching me. And then going. We're also brought to you by tonight Gold Peak. Get yourself a Gold Peak tea. So we put a track on this for the next 24 hours. We look at this at 7 p.m. We see Rochester, Fairpoint, Moderna, Buffalo. Just a light rain. And after that, we show you what it's going to do. It's going to hit the United Kingdom. And after that, what's this Buffalo region right here? And you guys see that the rain doesn't hardly hit Erie? It's right at that time, right there, it's hitting Erie. So we look at Erie, Pennsylvania right now. You're getting a light rain all the way until 10:30. We zoom in. We look at the runway. Amherst, Tonawanda, Buffalo, Fort Erie, and West Seneca. Lancaster. There's your rain forecast right there. And then after that, I want to do a weather forecast for my buddy Kevin. Currently in Washington, D.C. region, Leesburg, you're clear with this little rain pocket in Wyoming. So it's that the rain is clear. The rain is stopping in Kenmont in about 1 minute. We go on down, we check Charlotte. Actually, that we show you this. We click on, I want to click so we look at the weather forecast. We see Atlanta right here. We look at Macon. This rain is going to Atlanta. I see about 640 if we put on a track. Watch this little cluster right here. This medium rain once it hits Georgia. So we look, it's hitting Rome about 9:10. Then after that, if you guys are in Douglasville, Carrollton, and then if we go down here, we click on the regular radar. We see if you guys are currently on a cruise right now, we see currently Miami, Kettle Point, Fort Lauderdale. Good afternoon. You guys are getting some rain. Hollywood, Florida. Rain starting in 3 minutes. Davie, rain starting in 14 minutes. So Miami, you're currently getting some rain. If you guys are planning to go down to Key West, the rain looks clear. Just watch this cluster. We put a track for Key West. See, this rain is going to go high up. I mean it. If you guys are in at Leestown, be careful. So if we zoom out, we go near one of my favorite YouTubers, Clearwater, Holiday. We look over here to the Tampa International Airport. You guys just got some rain, so please be careful if you guys are flying out because rain. We put on the port radio. We put on, let's think. we put on we go back to weather, we look around, see that there's a little bit of rain in St. Petersburg. There's a little bit of rain in, let's put a track on this. Watch this one right here. We see that there's a little bit of light rain gonna hit Somalia. And after Europe Lake, you guys are clear in the next 24 hours. But watch this cluster right here. It's gonna hit Titlesville and Marriott Island. And then after that, if we put on the wind, we see that there is a breeze coming from the ocean. And after that, we put on the TC Cloud Outlook. Actually, we put on the hurricanes. There's no active storms. Severe weather. There is no severe weather alerts. So we zoom out, we are going to go to Las Vegas for our friends there. So we look around the Las Vegas region, we see there's rain up here at Womasoma. Good evening, Cedar City. You guys are currently getting some rain. Good evening to Santa Fe, New Mexico. You guys are currently getting no rain there. We click on right there. Click on Medina. Rain is stopping in 34 minutes, so if you guys are going down there, going across, looking, this is Route 99 right here going through Amarillo. So that little river right there I would be cautioned about. And then after that, if we zoom into the Denver area, we see there's a little bit of rain near Grand Junction. There's a little bit of rain near Plintz, Paloco. We look over here, there's a little bit of rain over there near Lake City. There's a little bit of rain in the Boulder area. Looking around Salt Lake City, you guys are clear. Looking around Wyoming. And Grand Falls. You guys are clear. And looking around Mockoff, Midwest, Keiki, and a current, here's Buffalo, Wyoming. It shows rain is going to hit about 5:15 your time and go all the way until 7:15 your time. And over there we click on the radar. See that there's a little bit of heaviness near, looking, Thompson, Wyoming. There is a fire warning for this area right here, so please be careful. Air quality is 38. So here's like a fire weather warning for 1 o'clock Mountain Daily Time to 11 o'clock Mountain Daily Time. See more. Red flag warning issued for 251 Johnson County, Casper. So then after that we click on zoom out. There's fire warnings for Washington, there's fire warning for Boise, there's fire warnings for Wyoming. So honestly, if you guys are heading into this region, please be careful and make sure you guys have tuned in to the TC Radio Network.